Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today we are going to give me the perfect opportunity to introduce to you a new sponsor to my channel. And I am so glad to have gotten this sponsor. I actually reached out to them and they jumped right on board. I feel so blessed for this. So, on the count of three, I'll introduce you to them. 1, 2, 3. Benchmark abrasives. As most of y'all know, I've got about 8 years experience in the body shop, and real soon that's going to be about all that's going on in here is body work. And because I got to do Mr. Jim's pickup, I'm about to do some sanding and stuff on the Corvette, and I'm going to be using the Benchmark abrasives, and I wanted to introduce you to what all they've sent me, and of course the Caballero. Having them on board as a sponsor is going to be a big help to the channel. It's going to be huge. So let's get busy, and I'm going to show you what they've got and what they sent. And at the end of the video, I want to do a giveaway. So everybody stick around to the end. Let's get to work. Alrighty. I want to show you what they sent me. This here is a roll of 80 grit gold. And I'd say there's probably 250 on that roll. This stuff here, to get the 3M version of this from like O'Reilly's or any place where you know that sells it, you're looking at paying probably around $130 to $160 for this roll. I want to say on their website it was like $29, and I haven't used it yet. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to be using it. Oh, it's got a nice stick to it. I want to use it by hand first, and then in another video we'll be doing using it on the sander. But I'm going to use it to take this down right here. Then I want to get a sheet of the 320 to finish it off before I paint. So that's what we're going to do. And I'll get that 320 out when I need it. All right. I always like the peel and stick, just so you can do this with them. Even after you take them off of the DA, you're worn around the edge. You still got a lot of sandpaper here in the middle. You can actually use that. I mean, I am very used to cutting corners, trying to save money when and where I can. Oh, wow. right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look. That looks a whole lot different, doesn't it? I mean, yeah, it looks a little rough, but it looks a whole lot better than it did. I even painted that little rivet they'd put in there because that just didn't look right, sitting there shining chrome. Old brake booster looks a lot better, especially down inside where that window was. I want to paint the windshield wipers while they're off, put them back on, give me some new blades. Then we're up to getting that wiring done. Now I know where all the wiring goes. I may even pull that daggum windshield washer motor off, make sure it's going to work, clean it up, paint it up, and put it back on. That'd just look a lot better. But I think we're ready to stick a motor in. I see nothing but that wiring holding me back. All right, I'm going to show you the wheels. I got them painted. Woo! I swear I hit that thing every time I walk by. There's the wheels. There's the last one I just got through doing. I think I'm going to redo this one. You see where it's rough right there? The paint they had in there peeled up. So I may let this one dry, sand it down, hit it again with the paint. But let's talk a giveaway. I'm going to set you up here and we're going to take a look in this box that Benchmark Abrasive sent us. Now you saw the 320 and the 80 grit. We also got .24 grit grinding disc, and I'm not sure what this one is. They have all different types of abrasive. They got ceramic. They have just the regular rock, and I got one of each. This one here is a 36. I believe this one is the ceramic. Don't quote me on that. But what I'm going to do on our giveaway, I want to give you 3 of these. 3 of these. I'm going to spool off 10 of the 320 grit. I want to spool off 10 of the 80 grit. Plus, I want to throw in the hat and a variety of stickers that he sent us. So, what I want you to do, way back in my videos, in one of my vehicles, I found something pretty neat underneath the fuel tank. The first person that can comment and tell me what it was that I found under that tank, I will send it all to. So, first person that does this, after this video comes out, I'll be checking out the comments. First person that comments and tells me what I found and what vehicle I found it in, you get the prize pack. So, we'll let y'all to it. Please like, subscribe, and if you haven't, share this thing. I mean, share it out there. I got to get some subscribers coming in. I'm just kind of hung at 19,270. It just back and forth, right in there. That close to 20,000. Come on, let's get me over it. Thank y'all so much. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time. Santa's Workshop.